Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials or first impressions. So today I wanted to show y'all my new 2019 everyday go-to look, and I have been wearing this look just about every day. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's very fresh. So if you'd like to see how I got this, then go ahead and stay tuned.